Alright, what's up guys, Marc Augustine here. And in this video, what we're going to talk about is how to automate Facebook Marketplace. Now, this is in response to a question that one of you guys have had on one of the videos I did before. And I'll put an edit of the question there, but basically the gentleman wanted to know, is Facebook Marketplace automation just about scaling with VAs, or is there software to automate the process a bit? So like the video, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be putting out continuous videos talking about dropshipping, and any of you guys that have specific questions like the one that I'm answering now, leave them in the comment section and I'll continue doing videos answering them, but like and subscribe. Okay, so the interesting thing about Facebook Marketplace dropshipping in particular is that it is the least most automated process to generate sales in all the different options of dropshipping. So like Amazon dropshipping, eBay dropshipping, Facebook dropshipping. There's software like FBM Fox, ZDrop, and AutoDS, and a couple other pieces of software that automate as much of the process that can be automated. But the restriction on how much you can list and the value of those listings leave a lot of room for error with whoever you hire to scale this process. Hopefully I'm giving you a different way of looking at this. So unlike Amazon, where you could use you just take items at scale and have good price and play with the metrics of the account to generate sales, on Facebook Marketplace, the quality of each listing has to be high because the listings don't last a long time. And I'm saying all of that to say that in any automation process, there's a certain amount of pieces of software you can use, and it brings you closer to like complete automation and removing like the human error in this dropshipping process. But on Facebook, you need to have very good titles. The images need to be unique. So the quality of the virtual assistant, right? So a lot of the virtual assistants are based in India and Pakistan and so on. They need to understand more English and more cultural cues to be successful at Facebook Marketplace dropshipping at scale, or they need to be trained really well. So there are a couple of pieces of software, as I mentioned, to automate it, but at the end of the day, the quality of the virtual assistant is what's going to make or break you, unless you want to sit down and do it yourself. Anyway, so like, subscribe, hopefully answer your question, leave comments in the comment section, look in the description for links to we have a course, we have a group, and yeah, free group, and peace, later.